Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn about the join tuples and multiply tuples. What is mean by join tuples? Here, I took one tuple and also I will take another tuple. Okay, that is I am giving variable name is tuple 2. Okay, here in this tuple I am taking 1 2 and 3. Okay, three elements I am taking in tuple 2. Okay, I want to add or I want to join these two tuples. Okay, for that joining two tuples I am giving variable name is tuple 3. Okay, if you add these two tuples, just add by using plus operator. Okay, like this tuple 1 and tuple 2. Okay, now you have print tuple 3. Okay, now you have print tuple 3. Now those two tuples joined together. Okay, like this. Okay, here have a look. This is the tuple 1 and tuple 2. Okay, by using plus operator we have joined together like this. Okay, already this type of concepts already in previous visa in previous chapter, but in that the tuple we converted into list, again we converted into tuple. In this way we did. Okay, but it's very lengthy process. If you add more elements to tuple by using join together, okay, you have form another tuple, and those two tuples you have joined together. This is one way. Okay, this is the way to join the tuples. Okay, the next concept is multiply tuples. Okay, here how to do it? Here I am removing these two tuples. Here I take, okay, here I took only one tuple, that is apple, banana and cherry. Okay, I want to multiply those tuples. Here that means already in this tuple how many elements are there? Okay, similar elements, duplicates will allow in tuple concept. Okay, by using that, here tuple name into, suppose I want to, okay, I want to double those tuple. Okay, that means apple will become two times, banana and cherry will becomes two times. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, now I am printing this. See, apple, banana, and cherry, as well as apple, banana, cherry. If you want one more time, it will print like this. Okay, three times will repeat. Each element will repeat three times. Okay, if you add n times, each element will repeat n times. Okay, in this way, the multiply tuples will do like this. Okay, friends, I hope you understand these two concepts. Okay, if you do practice one time, you understand very easily. Okay, uh, mm, if you understand, please like and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you so much.